Civo had pulled a simply staggering lineup of speakers. There's absolutely the who's who of Kubernetes here presenting.
I had attended so many technical and non-technical meetings. So I think it covered both spectrums, like thoughtful leadership and the other tracks from AI and cloud native.
I love it. Really interesting to learn more about cloud native and all the different products at the booth here. Met some great people here so far. Already got plenty of business cards in my back pocket that I'm excited to follow up on.
Yeah, so for everybody that didn't come, you missed out. You missed out. It's awesome. You should have been here. But stay tuned for the next one.